But is he currently under prescribed medication?
I've been taking Adderall since I was 7 years old. So it took it 30 years. And this whole incident got me, my doctor cut me off cold turkey. It's just because of this whole thing, but I still had some
The
left.
doctor cut you off, so you shouldn't have been taking it. When's the last time you filled that prescription?
It's a couple months ago. And I had my mom hold on to my pills while I was homeless for the time being. Now that I'm back to work and everything else, I'd gotten back on them. I wasn't gonna wait till I started school again. It's not easy carrying those around. People keep stealing them. So yeah, I'd have my mom hold on to them.
Good morning, I'm Charlotte Steffen on behalf of Andrew Party. Andrew, you say your name?
Andrew Party?
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate on behalf of Andrew Party, still on the case entry in, 1090.
Got it.
You are?
All right.
I apologize, Your Honor. I believe Ms. Steffen has been appointed to both cases. Is that correct?
That was my understanding, Your Honor, but maybe I'm mistaken.
You have that?
I'm double checking.
Because I don't.
So I have her on case in 0621.
Correct.
And then PD.
Yeah. So he has two attorneys. All right. So what are we doing on these cases? Because I think the first thing we need to deal with is bond violation. Stephanie, did you get a copy of that?
I did, and I have had an opportunity to discuss that with Mr. Party.
All right, why don't we deal with that?
Sure, Your Honor. So he admits that he has tested positive for amphetamine. He indicates that it's left over from a prescription.
It would be a month and a half long period.
Yeah, that's a lot of amphetamines that he would get possession of. If what he's indicating to you, counsel, is true, Mr. Allen.
I have about 10 more left of my script.
There's also a cocaine positive test. On
Yeah, I mean,
October yeah.
That was in August 26th. Does he have an explanation for that?
No, Your Honor, he's denying use of cocaine.
He's denying the use of cocaine.
Yes, Your Honor.
So he wants a hearing on that?
Yes, Your Honor.
But he admits to the use of amphetamine without a valid prescription.
I had a scripture. I don't know what you're talking about. I mean, I don't have one. I don't have it with me here.
Is the amphetamine a prescribed medication that he's currently under prescription for?
So, Judge, I think that the issue is that Mr. Party is saying that he was prescribed the medication.
They just cut
I
me
don't know
off.
how old the prescription was. These were some pills that he was still in possession of from a prescription.
A couple months ago.
But is he currently under prescribed medication?
I've been taking Adderall since I was 7 years old. So it took it 30 years. And this whole incident got me, my doctor cut me off cold turkey. It's just because of this whole thing, but I still had some
The
left.
doctor cut you off, so you shouldn't have been taking it.
Not because he doesn't want to be my doctor anymore. I'm not gonna. I got the paperwork. I'll send it to you. I got this guy right now.
Okay, just so that I'm clear, I thought we were talking about an old prescription.
It is. Which
So
mom,
when did your doctor cut you off?
couple months ago. It's more like he just stopped being my doctor. You know, got into a thing, and it's just now I have to get a new doctor, CMH, and they're telling me I'm like weeks out. It's not easy trying to get back in. I had to go through counseling.
Let's try it this way. When's the last time you filled that prescription?
It's a couple months ago. And I had my mom hold on to my pills while I was homeless for the time being. Now that I'm back to work and everything else, I'd gotten back on them. I wasn't gonna wait till I started school again. It's not easy carrying those around. People keep stealing them. So yeah, I'd have my mom hold on to them. fixed. If you like, that's not a problem. Keep it at the house. I don't got a home.
What are we doing with the cases? I'll address this bond.
Your Honor, we are asking for an adjournment. We received some additional discovery yesterday, so we need some more time to review.
That's right.
I was going to be requesting an adjournment as well, Your Honor.
This matter to my next date of October 15th, 2025 at 9 on both cases with on yes, the case ending. This Stephen's on which case?
I just,
All right. Now in that case, I'll set a bond hearing or I'll set a bond violation hearing. Regarding the use of cocaine for that same date of October 15th, 2025. I'll set that at 9 a.m. So he's not sure I quite understand, but I've got this cocaine in between the use of the amphetamines. Also, he didn't receive, he's indicating kind of the same thing, that he's on some prescription. This might have been avoided if it's indeed true. That he says he's currently on prescription, but then didn't provide documentation to community corrections. When community corrections then checked through their system, he's not currently prescribed a medication that would test positive for amphetamines.
talking about the intake?
So if he's indicating that he gave that prescription to his mom or that prescription does indeed exist, then he should have been able to provide it to community corrections and he should have been able to provide it to the court. What I'm going to do at this time is defendant's bond is defendant's remanded. Counsel, if you can get that information to the court, then I'll reconsider that. Thank
See
you.
what I can do, Your Honor. Thank you.